The geological timescale is a system of chronological dating. It relates stratigraphy to time. It is used by geologists, paleontologists, and other Earth scientists. It helps to describe the timing and relationships of events that have occurred during Earth's history. The geological timescale spans millions of years. This provides context for understanding processes like fossilization. The scene depicts organic material in its initial undecomposed state. Examples of organic material include leaves, bones, and shells. At this stage, the material retains its original structure and composition. Decomposition processes have not yet significantly altered the material. The material's physical and chemical properties are largely intact. This initial state serves as a baseline for observing subsequent decomposition. Organic material undergoes a gradual burial process over extended periods. This burial occurs beneath successive layers of sediment, including sand, mud, and silt. Each newly deposited layer exerts compressive force on the underlying material. The compression increases as more sediment accumulates above. This process compacts the organic matter. The burial and compression are key factors in the transformation of organic material over geological timescales. Mineral replacement is a process occurring over extended geological timescales. It involves the gradual infiltration of minerals from surrounding sediments. These minerals seep into organic material, such as wood or bone. The process leads to the replacement of organic compounds at the molecular level. Organic structures are replaced with inorganic, stone-like minerals. This transformation results in petrification, effectively turning organic matter into stone. Fossil formation begins with the remains of an organism. Over time, the organic material is gradually replaced by minerals. This mineralization process hardens the remains into a stone-like form. The original structure is preserved through this transformation. The result is a fossil, a lasting record of past life. Stratigraphy is the study of layered rocks, strata, which provides a timeline of Earth's history. Each layer of rock represents a different geological period. The composition of each layer varies based on the environmental conditions at the time of its formation. Fossils found within each layer provide evidence of past life forms. The sequence of layers reveals the relative ages of different rock formations. Analyzing strata helps geologists reconstruct Earth's past environments and events. Fossil-containing rock layers are initially buried beneath the Earth's surface. Erosion is a natural process involving wind, water, and ice. Erosion gradually wears away the overlying rock and soil. This process exposes the fossil-containing rock layers to the surface. Once exposed, fossils can be discovered and studied. Fossils found on beaches are remnants of ancient life forms preserved over millennia. These discoveries offer tangible connections to Earth's distant past. Each fossil represents a unique piece of geological and biological history. Beach fossils provide valuable insights into prehistoric ecosystems and environmental conditions. Fossils exhibit intricate mineral structures formed over geological timescales. The mineral composition of a fossil reveals details about its formation environment. Close examination highlights the fossil's detailed structural elements. These details provide insights into the fossil's original organic structure. Paleontologists reconstruct ancien environment using fossil evidence. These reconstructions visually interpret past ecosystems. Fossils provide clues about the types of organisms that lived in the past. The geological context of fossils helps determine the environment's physical characteristics. Reconstructions may include vegetation, climate, and animal life. These visual interpretations aid in understanding Earth's history. The fossil record serves as a chronological archive of life's evolution on Earth. Fossils provide tangible evidence of past organisms and their characteristics. The arrangement of fossils in sedimentary rock layers reveals a timeline of life's progression. This timeline demonstrates the emergence, diversification, and extinction of various species over millions of years. By studying the fossil record, Scientists can reconstruct evolutionary relationships and understand how life has changed over time. Fossils provide a window into prehistoric life on Earth. Various fossil types exist, each formed through different preservation processes. Mold fossils are imprints left by organisms in surrounding sediment. Cast fossils form when molds are filled with minerals, creating a replica of the organism. Trace fossils record the activity of organisms, such as footprints or burrows. True-form fossils preserve the actual remains of the organism, like bones or insects in amber. Radiometric dating is a method used to determine the age of rocks and fossils. It relies on the decay of radioactive isotopes within these materials. Radioactive isotopes decay at a constant rate, known as their half-life. By measuring the ratio of parent to daughter isotopes, the time since the material formed can be calculated. Common isotopes used include carbon-14, uranium-238, and potassium-40. The choice of isotope depends on the age of the sample being dated. Fossils are invaluable resources for understanding evolutionary processes. They provide direct evidence of past life forms and their transitions. Fossils also offer insights into past climate conditions and environmental changes. Analysis of fossils helps reconstruct ancient ecosystems and their dynamics. Furthermore, fossils contribute to understanding Earth's geological history and plate tectonics. Fossil preservation is significantly influenced by environmental conditions. Rapid burial is a key factor in preventing decomposition and scavenging. Quick sediment coverage protects the organism from physical disturbance. Anaerobic environments, lacking oxygen, inhibit bacterial decay. The absence of oxygen slows down the decomposition process considerably. These specific conditions greatly increase the likelihood of fossil formation. Fossil discoveries are distributed unevenly across the globe. Certain regions have a higher concentration of paleontological sites. These sites provide crucial insights into prehistoric life. Mapping fossil locations helps understand evolutionary patterns. Geological conditions greatly influence fossil preservation. Paleontological research relies on these fossil distributions.